Well, good evening and welcome back to Mike Bass's Weather Forecast channel on this March the 19th, 2023. I hope everybody's having a great Sunday evening out there. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well as we begin our work week on Monday. Okay, in today's video we'll talk about the satellite loop across the lower 48. Also the watches and warning advisory map, the Doppler radar system, and also the Climate Prediction Center outlook for the next 3 months to come. Okay, let's go ahead and dive on into the forecast now. We got a little system here off near the Florida area and off the southeast coast. Will continue to lift off to the northeast along a stalled frontal boundary located offshore in the Atlantic waters. May skirt the coast, may bring a few showers possibly to the coastal areas of the Carolinas and outer banks of North Carolina and also across Florida. Pretty quiet conditions expected across the central portion of the United States to a portion of the East Coast. A few little showers and snow showers possible over the northeastern U.S. And also we have another system coming on to the West Coast that will bring some wintry precipitation, some rain, and also some snow for you guys over in that area. As you can see, another little system will come on shore later this week. It will catch up with this one and move across country and bring a severe weather outbreak to portions of the southeast and southern United States and bring snowfall and ice to portions of the Midwest and portions of the Great Lakes and Northeast region. Across the lower 48, we're looking at quiet conditions across pretty much most of the United States. We got freeze warnings still across a good chunk of real estate across from Texas all the way to the Carolinas. Got a few little freeze watches in effect for portions of South Carolina toward the Grand Strand and Low Country of South Carolina. Also, we have a red flag warning over Kansas and Nebraska. And also, we have some pockets of winter storm warning watches and advisories from Colorado to Ohio, Idaho, Montana, also over toward California, Nevada, and also in Utah. We got a few little flash flood watches down here in Arizona, and some high wind warnings along pretty much the southern portion of California. Alright, let's take a look at the radar view. There's that little shower activity over New York State, a little bit up in Maine. North of Maine and Canada. Over here in southern Canada as well. There's that little system you've seen on the satellite loop down here around Florida. That will continue to lift off to the northeast. Like I said, coastal areas along the Carolina coast, the Georgia coast may get a little bit of rain or shower activity overnight tomorrow in the morning. As well. Also over here in the West Coast, we got there's that activity that's seen on the satellite loop, showing mixed precipitation, shower, thunderstorm activity over around New Mexico, Arizona, all the way back over towards Nevada, Utah, and also back over towards Washington State and Oregon, as well in California also. Alright, and finally, we're about to wrap up this video. We're going to take a look at the Climate Prediction Center outlook for the next 3 months. And we're fixing to take a look at it here in a minute. We're going to take a look at the temperature wise. Well, I'm having a little problem with it, but okay, here's the temperature outlook for the next 3 months. This is for April, May, and June of 2023. We got above normal temperatures across much of the United States. We got a little pocket of below normal temperatures over the upper Midwest and Northwest. And like I said, over here around Nevada and Utah, over to Oregon and Idaho, below normal temperature. Equal chances of temperatures being around normal. Alrighty, well, this concludes our video for tonight. Hope everybody enjoyed it. Had a little trouble at the end, but hopefully we got to see. You still got to see the seasonal temperature outlook for the next 3 months. Hope everybody has a great evening. Consider subscribing to my channel, and have a great evening, everyone. And we'll catch you back in the next one.